Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must start with admin access and a quick restore point so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once ready, close every app and save your work to avoid data loss. Next, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC and scan the processes and startup tabs for anything unfamiliar. Make note of names and paths. You will act on these entries immediately. This prepares you to stop the recent Task Manager behavior without guesswork and reduces the chance of breaking needed services. Now you take targeted action. Disable suspect startup entries right inside Task Manager and reboot to test impact. Once done, open Services. MSC and locate any related service. Stop it and set its startup type to manual or disabled so it won't relaunch automatically. If a user mode helper app controls recent task behavior, uninstall it through Settings Apps or Control Panel, or block it with your security tool. Make sure to reboot and verify that the recent task behavior has stopped before proceeding. To finish, clear history and logs that may trigger recent task recurrence. Clean the recent items folder and relevant event viewer logs. Once done, reboot normally and confirm the issue is gone. If the behavior persists, reboot into safe mode and repeat the disabling or uninstall steps to remove stubborn components. Finally, if anything destabilizes your system, use the restore point you created at the start to roll back changes. This ensures you can both stop the recent Task Manager and recover safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.